Not too long ago, before the year 2023, in December 2022, I graduated from SheCodes Basics. And if you want to see that review video, that is linked in my description box. So now I'm here to bring you all along on my journey of SheCodes Plus. I just started on Monday, April 10th and finished my first week on Thursday, April 13th. Hello, my name is Jonna and I make content on things that really matter. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tap that little bell so that you're notified of all of my upcoming content. SheCodes Plus Week 1 was pretty much an overview of what was learned in SheCodes Basics. We went over HTML and CSS revision, advanced elements in HTML, advanced selectors in CSS, how to create multiple files. Matt Delac even gives some really cool advanced VS Code tips. This week wasn't really that bad. The only thing that I kind of stumbled on was creating the multiple files. And once I finished, it all made sense. And I'm like, duh, Jonna. I mean, you made it more harder than what it was supposed to be. And last but not least, our week 1 homework assignment was to create a simple prototype or wireframe of the app that we're creating over the next couple of months. And baby, I'm so excited about this. One thing about me is I love a good challenge. I can already feel my brain getting bigger and more agile just thinking about it. I didn't spend too much time on my wireframe, just enough to focus on the foundation. I want to spend more time on the actual app and design that to perfection. I say this as a woman to all women. Don't be afraid to get into the world of tech. The world is going to need not only more techs, but women techs, and there's not enough women in the industry. If SheCodes sounds like something you would love to partake in, I do have a 20% discount code linked in my description box that can be used on any one of their workshops. Go ahead and make that investment into developing a new job skill that's going to be needed more of in the future. Comment down below. Are you in a SheCodes workshop or are you not? And if you are, what do you plan on accomplishing after completing the workshop? And if you're not in a SheCodes workshop, does it sound like something you'd want to do? So until then, bye-bye everyone.